Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
Matatag Curriculum, English Grade 4, Quarter 3, Week 6, and our topic is about understanding informational text, process description, time order, procedural. Day 1. Now, let's have a short review regarding our topic about Battle of Mactan in our previous lesson. Who were the main figures involved in the Battle of Mactan? On what date did the Battle of Mactan take place? Why did Ferdinand Magellan and his men come to Mactan? How did Lapu-Lapu and his warriors prepare for the battle? What was the outcome of the Battle of Mactan? After the previous week's discussion on historical texts, this week's lesson will focus on understanding another type of informational text, a procedural text. Students, have you ever tried to follow a recipe, assembled a toy using instructions, or use a guide to complete the task? If yes, could you please share your experiences? Let us take note that procedural text structure tells the order of the step to be taken to make something happen or how something is done. It explains how to complete a process and it uses signal words. To help you understand our lesson purpose, I will show you the following graphics and pose the following right questions. Now, students, why do we need to learn procedural text? Good job, everyone! Remember that it is important to learn how to read and write procedural text because they help us complete tasks accurately and efficiently. They also ensure safety by providing clear instruction, like in science experiments and cooking. They are used in many aspects of daily life and future careers. They also improve our ability to communicate instructions clearly to others. Now let us read each question and circle the letter that corresponds to your answer. Now let's have an activity. Working now in groups. Fill out the diagram below with your answers to the guide questions. Present your output to the class afterwards. Now, recall what you learned from this lesson and fill in the blanks with ideas and information that will complete each statement. You may also use drawings to show your answers. And then with your group, arrange these steps in the correct order by assigning them numbers from 1 to 9, starting with the first step and ending with the last as they appear in the text. Day 2. Now let us recall our topic yesterday. What is a procedural text? Good job, everyone! Now, take notes that authors or writers write different texts because they want to tell you something. How they write the text affects how we understand it. They follow a certain structure, purpose, and language features to deliver their message effectively. Being able to effectively identify various text types signals our brain to read the text in a certain way. It helps us understand what is important in the text. Authors usually organize their text so that readers can see what is important or not. Now, the learners will demonstrate their understanding of procedural text by writing and illustrating a step-by-step guide on how to make a popular Filipino dessert, halo-halo. Here is our task description. You will be working in groups, and you will be creating an instructional guide for making halo-halo, a famous Filipino dessert. Remember to emphasize the importance of clarity, sequence, and completeness in their instructions. Learners are also encouraged to draw pictures to accompany each step. Ensure also that the illustrations are clear and help explain the process. Once students have completed their guides, have them present their work to the class. They should explain each step and show their illustrations. So here is our assessment criteria. Completeness. Did the learners include all necessary steps and ingredients or materials or other as may be applicable? And then clarity. Are the instructions easy to follow? Sequence. Are the steps in the correct order? For the illustrations, do the drawings effectively support the instruction? And for presentation, were learners able to explain their guide clearly? Here is another activity. Complete the diagram below with the steps given in the box. Note that the steps below are like the ones in the previous day's activity, but they have been rephrased. And then now, arrange the step in preparing a halo-halo. Number them from 1 to 4. Students, what are the steps in cooking scrambled eggs? Now complete the process by supplying the missing steps. Let us encircle the letter of the best answer. Day 3. Let us learn about identifying the structural and language features of procedural text. Let us make a pirate hat. Introducing procedural text. Another text type tells the procedure, directions, or step on how to do something. Here are the following examples. Like number 1, recipe, step in cooking. Number 2, step in solving word problems. Number 3, dance steps. Number 4, creating crafts. And number 5, going to places. It also makes use of the signal words like first, next, then, finally. This text is called procedural or sequence text. Now let us read and analyze the given text below. Answer the question with yes or no. Good job, everyone! Now let us identify the various text types below according to structure, purpose, and language features. Write problem and solution, description, or procedural on your answer sheet. Students, share your reflections on the things that you learned from this lesson. Fill in the table below with the ideas that will complete each statement. And then now, let us encircle the letter of the best answer. Day 4. Students, take note that the words in the procedure involve first, next, then, And lastly or finally are called signal words. Now let us define what is a signal words. It is to introduce the steps in a process or a sequence of events. Other examples are baking a cake, cooking rice, making a scrapbook, or science experiments, and etc. Example: here are the steps on how to prepare fruit salad. First, wash the fruits. Next, peel the fruits. Then, slice the fruits into small pieces and mix them milk or cream. Lastly, share the salad with everyone. Read the procedure on how to bake a cake. Gabby helped her mother bake their favorite cake. First, they prepared the baking tin, spoon, bowl, and other utensils. Next, they gathered all the ingredients for the cake like flour, sugar, butter, milk, chocolate, and some eggs. Then, they mix all the ingredients in the bowl. Pour the mixture in the baking tin and place it inside the oven. After an hour, the cake was ready. Lastly, Gabby added some icing and fruits on the top of the cake. Everybody enjoyed Gabby's special chocolate cake. Now let us answer the following questions. Number 1, what did Gabby and her mother bake? Number 2, what did they prepare before baking the cake? Number 3, what ingredients were used to bake the cake? Number 4, why do you think everybody enjoyed the cake? And number 5, what words were used to signal for each step in preparation of the cake? Good job, everyone! Now let us read and understand the given text below. Identify the text type by analyzing its purpose. Write the letter of the correct answer from the choices inside the box. Example: the little butterfly is lost. Suddenly, it began to rain. It looked for a shade to hide. Another butterfly is hiding there too. They talked for a while and found out that they are neighbors. When the rain stopped, the two butterflies flew home together. Our answer here is letter A. The text tells the problem of the lost butterfly and how it found its home with the help of a neighbor. Now let us encircle the letter of the best answer.
Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!